Hey guys, this is Dynamic Innovator. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own liquid soap hand wash at home. The hand wash gonna be unique, so watch till end. Materials required are soap, glycerin, castor oil, and you also need aloe vera gel. So I'm using aloe vera gel extracted from aloe vera leaf. You can use ready-made aloe vera gel from the pharmacies. Now cut the aloe vera leaf and extract the aloe vera gel. Now take a bowl and a cheese grater. And grate the soap with cheese grater. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Now take a bowl, light the flame, now add 500 ml of water because I am adding 50 grams of soap. If you add 100 grams of soap, add 1 liter of water. After bubble rises, add the grated soap. And mix it well. After dissolving the soap in water, off the flame and add 20 ml or 2 teaspoons of glycerin. The glycerin is added to moisturize the skin and it also has antimicrobial agent to fight against the bacteria. Now add 10 ml or 1 teaspoon of castor oil. The castor oil has antimicrobial properties that may help to fight bacteria overgrowth when applied to skin. Now add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. And mix well. Now keep aside for 12 to 14 hours and close the lid. After 12 to 14 hours, mix the substance. If it is hard to mix, add some boiled water. After mixing the substance, it converts into liquid soap hand wash. Now take the aluminum sheet and make it into a funnel. And take an empty bottle. Add the liquid soap into an empty bottle with the help of the funnel. Now I'm gonna show you the best technique to wash your hands. If you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. And also share this video to your families, friends and social groups. And do comment down below. This is Dynamic Innovator. Thanks for watching and signing off.